we're making a house here because the rent prices are so high. We just sort of kind of thought we'll just make it out by ourselves, you know. Is she good? She good? She good? So, house, I'm doing the needling. Kneading? Yes. Here you go. Just like that. Folks, if you want to build a house, you gotta eat first.
Yeah, make it even.
Just make it even.
So it can stand. Get that shot. Fine detailing work of a master. I'll hold her steady. Oh, she doing okay? She doing okay. Did we do it? Beautiful.
It's a tiny crooked. I love it.
I love you.
I love you. Cheeky. And see here, folks, how a house dies.
Oh no. She was doing so well.
For this fan activity, I'm gonna make a tiny snowman now.
Oh, we'll see an artist in action here, folks. Oh, beauty.
Don't think that's
Beauty.
how a snowman looks like. You are wrong.
Amazing.